Hey guys, welcome to this short and sweet 7-minute full body yoga stretch. The title says it all, pause and reset. So go ahead and find a comfortable spot on your mat and let's begin. So we'll go ahead and get started at the back of our mat. Bring the big toes to touch, the knees mat width apart. And just take a moment here to straighten the spine first, let the chest become heavy. And slowly walk the hands to the top of your mat, releasing the forehead down to the ground. Taking a deep breath in here. Exhale, release the weight of the body, let the arms relax. And just take the next few breaths here to really connect with your body. This is a short midday or morning yoga stretch. So really utilize every moment here to connect with your body, to connect with your breath, and to let go of any tension or anything that no longer serves you. With every inhale, expanding the body, creating space. And exhale, releasing tension. Bringing your awareness to all the muscles in the face, the jaw, the throat, the shoulders, chest, and back, the hips. Breathing deep into those areas. The legs, the feet, letting go. Being truly present right here, right now. Letting go of what's happened so far in the day and what's to come. Really giving yourself this little gift of time present. Allowing the arms to relax. Maybe swinging the head from side to side, massaging the forehead a little bit here. Slowly begin to lift the chest up, walking the hands further up the mat. Inhale, looking forward. And exhale, let the chest become heavy, releasing down for puppy pose. Deep stretch shoulder here, either bringing the chin to the ground or the forehead, whichever feels better for your flexibility today. Breathing here, letting the chest become heavy, feeling an extension in the spine and a release. Slowly pressing the ground away from you with your hands, bringing yourself into a tabletop, and just a little freestyle here. Start to rotate the hips, creating little cat-cow movements, chin to chest, tailbone down. Opening up here, bringing in the shoulders, the arms, full body here. Utilize this little freestyle to tap into any areas where you need a little bit of extra release. Take conscious awareness of your body here. Let the breath guide the movement. Bringing in the feet as well, the shoulders, the neck, let the head be heavy. And lifting yourselves up for a little downward facing dog. Rotating here, continuing that freestyle. full body stretch here. Deep stretch behind the legs, dropping the chest. Breathing in here. And slowly look up to the top of your mat, walk the feet forward, releasing the torso heavy, releasing the head. Feel free to wrap the fingers around back behind you and let the weight of the arms fall, creating a deeper stretch in the back of your neck. Staying here for a few breaths. Feel free to stay here as long as you need. And you can end this class with a seated meditation or a little shavasana, up to you. I'll leave you guys here, so take any last minute stretches you feel you might need, a little freestyle, and I hope to practice again with you soon. Have a lovely day.